Welcome or welcome back to Browsing with Brooklyn. Today we're browsing at TJMaxx, so let's go in and see what goodies we find. Okay, we have stopped into TJMaxx to see Valentine's Day decor. This set of lips here, that is $7. They got a cute snow globe that says I love you. That's $15. This here by Ada and Jade is $13. Got that heart lock and key for $17. Oh, now this is cute. This little picture, it has a rose inside. Can you see that? And that is $8. Not bad. That's by Bella Lux for $13. She's got her bracelets on too. Check her out. It says love, and that is $13. Love you more. That piece of decor is wood, is $7. That one, this is cute. That glass with the swan on it is $8. Oh, they have the glasses to match the picture for $8. That would be nice to have a set of those. All of these candle holders are by Cupcakes and Cashmere. We used to have something like this when I was younger. It wasn't this color, but $7 for that. This one has the pearls on it. It's $9. The smaller one and the larger one is $10. These here with the hearts for $9, and the larger one, $10. Oh, these are so fragile. I don't want to break them. And then they have candles. These are nice. Love is in the Air by DW Home. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, that's nice. That's $8. That's really nice. Sweetheart Peony for $9. This one says Darling Dreams. Let's see what that smells like. That's nice too. That's $8. And they have more down here. And these are $8. You have this glass canister with the heart on top, and that's $6. That's a good price for that. And that the larger one is $7. Nice. Let's see what this love sign is. $10. They have these down here. Oh, these are very fragile. So they have it in this pink. It's like a dish. You can put candy in it or strawberries with the chocolate right there for $10. They have it in pink, and that cream, and red. This is a cute sign. It says she is, and you can turn that to either staying focused, setting goals, making things happen, chasing dreams for $8. What else we got back here? This is a cute sign that says love. That's $7. Those cute hearts there. And this glass here is $10. You put a straw. It's supposed to have a straw here, but I don't see the straw. All right, more decor back here. They have that one by Bella Lux. It's marble and wood, a cheese board for $10. That's a really good price. Oh, that's a really good price for that. This Brie Baker set by Stitch is $13. You have that ramen bowl. You get two. That's by Ray Dunn. It says love on it with hearts. That's $15. And they have gingerbread houses that light up for $20 for that one. Let's see what this one, $25 for that one. Those are cute. Oh, you can put your candies in that. That's by Sheffield Home for $15. They have benches back here. They have this one that says I love you, and that Oreo. Let's see, the prices must be at the bottom because I can't see the prices. They have coasters for $6. These are $8. You have these hammered for $8. They have another end cap here with Valentine's. I got one Christmas item here, but Valentine's items here. Oh, this is a Valentine's puzzle. That's cute. Special delivery is 500 pieces by Gallison for $8. That would be a nice activity to do. And this one here, that one is cute too. They also have some dominoes, wooden dominoes for $10. So if you love dominoes, there you go. They have florals. If you're into baking, they have sprinkles for $4. And I would say these are Valentine inspired mixing bowls because they have the bow on them. You get 4-piece mixing bowl set with lids. That is a nice color for $15 for the large one. And then this smaller one is $8. They have these food storage containers, stackable bentos with cutlery. Get a 2-pack for $10. It has the hearts and the lips on it and candy. They also have the pink ones. Let me get to them right here. Those are cute. Again, $10. So you can, for the month of January or February, you can bring your lunch in Valentine style. They also have these hot pink glass food storage for $10 with the lids. The lids are plastic. Those are by Gourmet Kitchen. And if pink is not your thing, they also have this purple set. And that's $10 as well. Let me go back down here to this. There's another purple set that I want to show you. It's a 5-compartment food storage for $13. That's a pretty lavender color. They also have that beautiful stand there for $25. That's gorgeous. Okay, we are over in the beauty section. This headband, that's a nice mauve color with Hello Kitty on it for $10. You have this one with this strawberry for $4. This one has lips on it for $4. This is a headband with the wristbands also. Nice and cozy, $7 for that one. That one has XOs on it for hugs and kisses for $7. You got that one there for $8. They also have these exfoliating body sponges, and these are $4. You have some hair towels down here for, let me pull that off, and that's $5. More body sponges here for $5. Those are by Beauty Concepts. I love the packaging on that. Look at those hearts. And they have this long stretch braided loofah for $6. This shower bonnet is $4. Gold to Glow for $6. And we're over in slippers, and I see this Valentine sock set for $15. That's cute. Those slippers by Rachel Roy are $10. You have these by Joe Boxers with the cherries on them. Look at the cherry is winking. For $13. $13 for these as well. Strawberry shortcake for $8. Look at these. These are Coke slippers. Oh, look at that. These are $15 now. If you know somebody that loves Diet Coke, there you go. That would be a cute little gift for someone. And these Juicy Couture slippers are $13. I'm outdone by those Coke slippers. Can you see somebody walking with these on? Too funny. And I'm over in the pajama section, and they have these Grinch. This is a mixture of Christmas and Valentine's Day. These Grinch pajamas, nice and cozy for $13. They have these shorts here, Peanuts for $13. It has Snoopy on them. And they have these here, pants for $10. And they also have Valentine's rugs. I'm back in the section where the rugs are. These are super cute. Let me pull this down so we can see it on the floor. That's $25. That's cute. They have this one here. They have more. And this one, that one is $24 as well. And they have that one there. They have pillows, and the pillows are $35. You get a set of 2. Those are $35 as well. They have these hearts by Martha Stewart for $17. They have that pillow for $17. Oh, now this is nice with the rhinestones on that. That's really, really nice for $17. So we're looking at the throw blankets, and they have this one here by Chelsea and Theodore. That's a beautiful, it's soft, a beautiful fuchsia color. It's $25. It's about 50 by 70. This one is by Cupcakes and Cashmere. It got the tassels on the bottom. You know I'm loving that one for $25. This one by In Vogue with Love, Cozy Knit Throw is $25. That one by Chelsea and Theodore Home. A nice vibrant red, $25. It's cozy with the hearts on that one. That one is by Decor for $17. $17 for that one. And this one is $17. I love the colors on that light pink and fuchsia by Rachel Roy for $25. And they have these resting pillows up here for Valentine's Day, and those are $30. They have that throw blanket by Rachel Roy for $17. This one here for $17. That one with the bows on it is $20 by Brentwood Originals. Okay, well that's going to wrap up our browse, but before we go, I want to let you know that I ran into one of my community members here in the store. So if you're watching, thank you so much for stopping and introducing yourself and saying hello. It was such a blessing to meet you. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it beyond measure. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of my community. Also hit the like button so that will let me know that you are enjoying this content. Leave me a comment and share the video with others. And until next time, be blessed.